এই তালগাছ নিয়ে শত শত বছর যাবৎ ভূতের শিহরিত গল্প বিদ্যমান আছে এই গ্রামে। পূর্বে এই তালগাছের নিকট দিনে দুপুরে কেউ আসত না। আজ আমরা এসেছি এমন একটা 400 বছরের পুরনো ভুতুরে তালগাছের নিকট।
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
This palm tree stands on a fort in the village of Batira in Kaliganj Upazila in the district of Gazipur. It is said, it is called, this palm tree is about 400 years old. In the past, the people would not come here even in the daylight. We hear many thrilling ghost stories about this palm tree. Today, I and with my family visit this palm tree. We enjoy the afternoon with my family. With me, my precious son, Sumama, also visited here. Here, we can enjoy this Batira, a very charming village. We can see the natural scenario here. We can enjoy. We want to see the ghost. The people told about the ghost, about the thrilling something.